Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? I am so excited today because this look is seriously Christmas vibes. If you are not in Christmas mode yet, you're going to be there today because I don't think anything else is going to get you there makeup wise besides this. Just the red in general just makes me think Christmas. I mean, even this like burgundy sweater makes me think Christmas. I'm actually really excited. I remember last year I was like, oh my gosh, Christmas already. But this time I'm like, yes. I really don't know why that is. But yeah, I'm just excited. I'm excited. I hope you are too. If you guys want to see how I did this look, please keep watching. Legit, I feel like I'm in a winter wonderland. Are you guys ready to get started? Because I completely am. I'm really excited because I got a new Morphe brush, M562. Look how tiny this little brush is. It is so small, but it's long. So I don't know if you guys where you live have a wig and beauty store. I go in there for their makeup because a lot of their makeup can be pretty good with a really cheap price tag. They carry like NYX, Ruby Kisses, and things like that. So I mean, I encourage you to check it out because I've found a lot of really good stuff there. Today's little find is this stuff called Radiant Liquid Eyeshadow. It's like a little liquid eyeshadow, and look at this color, it's just beautiful. And then I got another shade in this like champagne-y gold color, which is so pretty. So I've already primed my lids and I'm just going to go straight in with the transition color using my Kylie Jordan palette and my Morphe About Last Night palette for most of these colors. So I'm going to take my Morphe M513 and I'm going to pick up the color Wife Life from the Kylie palette, tap off excess, and just go straight into the crease. I really love this 513 brush. I wish I could try like other brands of brushes, but Morphe is literally so inexpensive and they work really well. Okay, right underneath that transition shade, we're going to pick up the Hot and Crowded from the Morphe palette, and I'm using a Vasanti brush now, contour eyeshadow number 4. Basically just going to make the transition shade a hint of red. This color is really cute right here. Makeout is really a nice, it's almost brown, but it's more like a burgundy red. Let's start with something really tiny, a M506 brush, right in the crease. Or I guess under the crease, should I say. And if I think this is too red, I'm going to change it, y'all, which I think I might. We got a theater going on downstairs, which is great timing. We are putting Sister right on top of that just to add the brown effect because I really don't want it to be too red, and this did come out a little red, but I really wanted to try that color. And it is gorgeous, absolutely, but you know, for the sake of my inspo, I wanted to keep it brown. A lot of the times my inspiration just comes from myself, but you can find a lot of people with the same inspiration, you know what I mean? Like, there's just too many people and too many ideas, too many of the same products being used for people to not have the same idea. I'm just going back into that deep red color, Makeout, and I'm just going to further blend a little bit because we're losing some of our blending. Here's our little M562 brush. We're going back into Wife Life. This is amazing. This brush is so adorable. And it's also so precise, which I can really appreciate right now. Okay, now we're about to mix these two. I'm going to mix it on the back of my hand. Okay, got our little color mixture. Oh my gosh, y'all. It is so pretty. Oh, it's like already dry, y'all. Okay, let's add some more gold on top of this as another layer because it's a little bit sheer, and then we'll see if we are done with that. Oh, there's some spots. It's kind of making me crazy, but we're going to let this dry. Whew, okay, that took forever to get dry, and my eyes are a little like stiff. This is definitely not a Stila liquid eyeshadow. Well, it's not that easy to blend in, y'all, so I'm kind of debating removing it I'm gonna have to work with this for a second. Unfortunately, it had to come off because it was so like crumbly and thick that it just was not working out. So I switched to my Stila, what is this called? Pixie Dust Magnificent Metals. Now for the part that I have been waiting for. I know y'all have been waiting for. Like everything was just the prequel. This is it. This is it. I'm just gonna draw me a wing with my glitter glue. How you guys like it? Oh my gosh. I say absolutely adorable. I'm going to finish the other eye and we're going to be done. Alright guys, here's the final look. What do you think? If y'all were not ready for Christmas in the beginning of this video, you better be ready now because I don't think it is any more of a vibe than this. Literally cannot get over how thick this wing is. But I really love this look. Hope you guys like it too. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching and stay tuned because we are not done. We are not done. And then once Christmas is over, we're starting New Year's looks. Okay? This is the fun. This is the fun I get out of doing makeup. So I hope y'all enjoy it. I love you and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
I'm not going to be able to use that because I feel like I don't have enough skill. But like I said before, I just test myself every time I hit the record button on this camera. I say, Paige, you're going to do the hardest makeup look you can possibly think of today. I'm just like, yeah, let's